Action cameras, action cameras. Good afternoon, my fellow cocktail lovers. Today I'm going to make a special drink. It's the real Rum Runners cocktail. Why is it real? Because it is. It's not fake. Otherwise I wouldn't get intoxicated. If it was fake, I wouldn't get intoxicated. But it's real, so I am going to get intoxicated. Intoxication. What a word. Who invented intoxication? The police, when they pull you over for driving under intoxication. Anyhow, I got a couple of shout outs to give. Last week I messed one up. I said, let's talk drinks, cocktails. Actually, it's let's talk drinks. From Australia, George, how you doing? And in the kitchen with Mama Mel. She's a brand new subscriber. So, how you doing, Mama Mel? I really like that cooking. I really like that cooking. And the Diary of a Rum Hunter. I watched your video today, so I figured, hey, what the hell, I might as well do a rum runner. And I'm going to add a new addition to my repertoire. It's called Trivia with Cocktail Tony. And since I'm doing rum today, I'm going to do a rum trivia. Now, I know I always give you guys a lot of bull about stuff, but this is true. Rum is the oldest spirit in the world. In the 1400s, when Columbus sailed the ocean blue in 1492, he brought with him sugar cane from the Orient, which is like India and stuff like that. And when he brought it over, 100 and something years later, when people came over to the islands, the Spaniards, I think it was, that 1620 was the year, and that's when rum was first distilled. So it's the oldest distilled spirit in the world, 1620. And also, that was in Barbados. And also the Bacardi is the largest distributor of rum in the world. That's why I like Bacardi. Because it's the largest. Look at how big this bottle is. That's why it's the largest. And in 1800, rum was used as a shampoo also. They thought it would prevent hair loss. Well, it didn't do nothing to my hair. I mean, but I wasn't born in the 1800s. And also, Mount Gay Rum is the oldest distiller of rum in the world. They started distilling rum in the 1700s when other people have stopped. They're the oldest. And that's your trivia for the day. What did you think of the trivia? I thought that was pretty good. Give a comment on the trivia. Come on, let's give a comment on the trivia. Let me know how I did. Maybe you should have a Cocktail Tony trivia. Cocktail Tony was born in 1984. Okay, and if you believe that, I'll give you another one. So anyhow, here we go. This is going to be my rum runner, and it's the real rum runner cocktail. You got an ounce of orange juice. And you got an ounce of pineapple juice. Now, the pineapple juice was freshly squeezed out of the can about when I opened up the can. I don't know when I opened it up. Maybe you do. Now for the booze. I got regular rum.
How much?
1 ounce. 1 ounce of everything that you see here except for Grenadine. That's just a splash. 1 ounce of 151 proof. You know why they call us rum runners? I don't know. I can't run after drinking this stuff. I have no idea. 1 ounce of 99 bananas. This is a liqueur here, of course. 1 ounce of that stuff. One ounce of Myers Dark Rum. You notice I said, oh, this is Myers. Oh, shit, I lied. This isn't Bacardi's, but it's dark rum. It's Myers Dark Rum. 1 ounce of Blackberry Brandy. Everything smells so good. Everything smells so good.
Is that your aftershave?
Yeah, that might be my aftershave. I shaved today. She's been chasing me all over the house. A splash of grenadine. Now I put it on over ice. I put it on over ice. It's icy. It's icy. I got the ice. How's it going so far, Mrs. G?
Good. Very good. I'm ready to taste this drink.
Okay, you can taste it.
I get to taste it. I see you didn't make me my own, though.
No, because you don't like rum, you say. But then you do drink rum
But
drinks.
then I do drink it. So
I have no clue.
I don't know either.
I have no clue.
Who knows?
I can definitely smell rotten bananas.
Ooh, that's not good. Yourself.
Okay. There you go, folks.
Garnish,
Will you
garnish.
just look at it? Oh, my buddies out there, Cam and Teresa, they're my best,
What the
my
heck?
best YouTube buddies. Cam and Teresa, flour, eggs, and yeast. I say something about them every time. If you're getting sick of it, it's tough shit. I'm going to keep talking about them. And there's garnish.
Yay!
Yay! Now let's taste this sucker and see how it is.
I can also see your name on it, on your glass.
Oh yeah, Cocktail Tony.
You got that from daughter Nikki for Father's Day.
Oh yes. Very good drink. Very good drink. I think I'm going to finish that and go to bed.
Yeah, you'll crawl to bed.
Yeah, crawl to bed. Anyhow, folks, don't forget, call your mama, say hello to your mama, and get a vaccination, indoctrination, and intoxication, okay? Cocktail Tony, over and out.